Alright guys, welcome back to All Things Outdoors, and do you hear this? It kind of sounds like this. Yeah, it's the cicada year. Cicada year 2021. Listen to them. Incredible. I love the cicadas. Never seen them before. Very excited about them. Can't wait for them to all really start making noise. They're only just starting making noise. But is that not loud or what? Wow, that sounds like an alien call. The cicadas themselves kind of look like aliens. But trust me, they aren't. They're completely Earth. But yeah, so please stay tuned for updates on the cicada year. Cicada year 2021.